Unicorn, 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 unicorn. Unicorn, 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 unicorn. Fast as lightning, trotting, galloping. Unicorn. White as snow with a horn that grows. Unicorn. Unicorn, 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 unicorn. Unicorn, 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 unicorn. Sparkle is her name with the rainbow mane. Unicorn. Eyes like the sea, she's a horse-like beauty. Unicorn. Unicorn, 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 unicorn. Unicorn, 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 unicorn. Let's gallop! Gallop, 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 gallop. Woo! Unicorn, 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 unicorn. Unicorn, 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 unicorn.
Unicorns making beautiful rainbows with their magical horn. Wings just like an angel, mystical, wondrous unicorns. One night I had a dream that a unicorn slept next to me. Her hair was white as snow. We were sleeping beneath a willow tree. She woke when I touched her mane. She opened up her bright blue eyes. She looked at me and said,
"Hello, my name is Snowbell. If you wanna go for a ride, just hop onto my back, hold on tight. We're gonna fly above the clouds and through the skies."
Snowbell the unicorn made a beautiful rainbow with a magical horn. Her wings were like an angel. What a mystical, wondrous unicorn. We flew into the stars, passing Jupiter and Mars. She took me beyond Neptune and said that we will be there soon. I couldn't believe my eyes. We had finally arrived at a planet full of unicorns. And just then, the strangest thing, Snowbell began to sing.